Bob Marley sang for Africa long before the world listened. His message was unity, liberation, and dignity. But what would Bob Marley say about Africa today? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll hear the heartbeat he left behind and what it's asking us to do now. Bob Marley didn't just sing about Africa, he rooted his identity in it. For him, Africa was home, future, and destiny. He called for Pan-African solidarity, people across borders recognizing one struggle, one future. In Africa Unite, the message is simple. Africa Unite unity isn't sameness, it's strength in diversity. Marley's music marched with liberation movements. He performed Zimbabwe at the country's independence celebration in 1980, transforming a song into a ceremony. He believed freedom is both political and personal. As he put it, none but ourselves can free our minds. In Exodus, he sang of movement, people refusing to live in bondage. Exodus, movement of Jah people. That movement wasn't about escape, it was about return to self-respect, culture, and power. Bob's Africa wasn't a stereotype, it was spiritual lineage. Ethiopia, Rastafari, the wisdom of elders. His message, wear your heritage like a crown. Don't let anyone sell you your own reflection. He stood against apartheid and colonial residue. He believed the world owed Africa fairness, not charity, partnership, not pity. When Marley said one love, he wasn't being vague, he was being radical. Love meant justice. If Bob Marley looked at Africa in 2025, what would he see and say? Unite beyond borders. He'd celebrate regional unity, more trade within Africa, shared infrastructure, free movement of ideas and people. He'd warn, division is a tax you pay forever. Guard your culture and export it proudly. He'd love the cultural wave, music, film, fashion, food. He'd say, own the masters, sign fair deals, build local labels and studios. Culture is capital, don't let it be extracted. Build tech for our problems, by our people. He'd cheer the rise of African tech and clean energy. He'd challenge founders, solve water, health access, education, logistics. Resources must bless the people. From Congo's minerals to Sahel's sun, he'd call for value addition at home. Refineries, processors, battery plants. He'd push for contracts that bring schools and hospitals, not just holes in the ground. And the rule of fear. He'd stand with citizens against corruption, coups, and repression anywhere they show up. Freedom isn't a favor from the powerful. It's a right of the people. Women and youth at the front. He'd point to the youngest continent on earth and say, invest in girls' education, maternal health, STEM training, empower women and you feed nations, invest in youth and you outrun history. Heal the land, feed the future. He'd call for climate justice and local innovation, drought-resistant crops, micro-insurance, community solar. The earth is a drum. Treat it with respect, and it will keep time for your children. One love, but make it policy. He'd turn one love into budgets. Universal basic health services, teacher training, open education, and arts funding. Love is not a lyric, it's a line item. Bob Marley's Africa wasn't past tense. It's a promise we renew or break every day. If you're in the diaspora, visit, invest, mentor, partner. If you're on the continent, vote, build, create, demand accountability. Remember, none but ourselves can free our minds. Start there. Then go change policy, build companies, make art, plant trees, and protect truth. The drum is still beating. Can you hear it? If this spoke to you, subscribe, like, and share so more people hear it. Drop a comment with the one action you'll take for Africa this month, no matter where you live.